Let's have the questions related to this concept, please. In the previous class, we discussed most of the things related to the centers. So we have the question. So if anyone has completed, that's well and good. So if you are having any idea related to this question, you can raise your hands. Very good. X, what's your name, please? Subhani? Sheikh Subhani. Yes. So can you unmute yourself and you can talk. So how to solve this question?
Good evening, sir.
Very good. What's your name, please?
Samina, sir.
Samina. Very good.
Sir,
So
so for this question, we should find the centroid first by using the formula
Okay.
x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2.
Very good. Very good.
Then we should apply the condition of x-axis, which is a comma 0. The y coordinate should
Very
be
good.
0. So the
Very good. Absolutely. Very good. Very good. Absolutely. Harshita, is it correct? Yeah. So Harshita also goes the same approach. So what's your approach? Your approach is absolutely correct. So first point, we need to find the centroid. First, we need to find the centroid of triangle ABC. So if I'm finding the centroid of triangle ABC, here even x coordinate is not required for us. On x-axis, gy is equal to 0. This is clearly he has given, because on x-axis, right? So then the condition for centroid lie on x-axis y value 0. Let us take the sum of the coordinates, that is a plus b minus c divided by 3 is equal to 0. This is what gy value. So from this, what we need to get? A plus b minus 3 is equal to 0. A plus b is equal to 3. What is said? It is absolutely correct. Well done, both of you guys. Yes. Very good. We'll have the next question, please. Let's, without wasting our time, we'll try to go for the next question. So if you are perfect in the concepts, the synopsis what we people have discussed in the previous class, it's very easy to solve the questions. So this is the second question. In a triangle, A is given and centroid is given, then midpoint of the side BC. Any idea, please, how to do this question? Any approach? Any idea how to solve this question by anybody else? Deepika, Dhanalakshmi, Archana, Ajay. Anybody else, please make it fast. The question is so simple, you have to understand. Again, Samina. Yes?
Yes, sir. It's first option, sir.
It is first option. Ananya, Anuradha, Anvesh. So first identify the approach, how to solve this question. So one thing he has given, out of the triangle, vertex A is given. Out of the triangle, vertex A is given. B not given, and then C is also not given, but he's asking this particular point D. And one more condition, that G is given to you, the centroid is given to you, this is given to you, 2 comma 3. Vertex A is also given to you, 5 comma 6. What is asking? D. D coordinates will be taken as some x comma y. So we know the process. Samina, am I correct? The centroid G dividing each median in the ratio 2:1. Yes, is it the process of doing this question? Got it. So G divides, I'm going to take D as x comma y, AD in the ratio that is 2:1. For each median, it is dividing in the ratio 2:1. Make use of the section formula. G already has given 2 comma 3 is equal to mx2, that is x1 y1 x2 y2 will be given to you. I'll consider this as x1 y1 comma y1, and this is considered as x2 comma y2, right? mx2 plus nx1. mx2 means that is 2 times of x plus nx1, that is 1 into 5 divided by m plus n, that is 2 plus 1. my2 plus ny1, that is 2 into y plus ny1 means 1 into y1 value is 6 divided by m plus n, that is n plus 1. So equating the corresponding coordinates, 2 is equal to 2x plus 5 divided by 3. This will be on left. This will be on left. That is 6 is equal to 2x plus 5. So 6 minus 5 means it is 1 is equal to 2x. So x is equal to 1 by 2. That's enough to identify your option. So x value is 1 by 2 that exists in the first option only, because other options 3 by 2, 3 by 4, 3 by 2, right? Similarly, you can equating y coordinates also. 3 is equal to 2y plus 6 divided by 3. 3 into 3, it is 9 is equal to 2y plus 6. That means 6 will be on left. It is 3 is equal to 2y. So 3 by 2 is equal to y. Very good. It is a simple question. Simple question he asked. Let's see this question maybe that we people have discussed, and you can have an idea also related to this question. Let's moving to the next one. Problem number 3, please. This is the question he asked in 2020. The question is very simple. The question is very simple. Similar question I have discussed at the time of your discussion. Still, we are in just introduction. Don't bother about it whether you got the correct answer or not. So try to identify the correct concept, correct approach, how to solve this question. That is important for us. And be regular to the classes, please. If you are absent for the last class, previous class, we are unable to solve these questions. And even if you are absent, better to listen recorded classes and try to see the notes on how we people have approached. The question is so simple. He's asking the ratio in which P, whose abscissa is given to you, and the line joining of A and B. Simple one formula I have given to you. Simple formula I have given to you for finding the ratio. Option A, Abhinav. Abhinav has given option A. Just based upon the concepts what we have studied in the 2-3 classes that we are discussing the problems. Option B, Harshita, okay. One option C. Manasa, option B. No, if you are applying section formula, it takes time. The simple concept I have given to you, even in the last class also, when I'm using the section concept. How to solve this question, that all of you, please listen carefully. Let's have the line segment. A point will be given to you. This is 6, 5. Let it be considered as x1, y1. And B coordinates are also given to you. That is -1, 4. Let it be considered as x2, y2. P is a point which dividing your line segment, but x coordinate of P will be given. Abscissa means it is x coordinate. Ordinate means y. Y is not given. I'm going to consider this as x, y. When ratios are not given, how to find the ratio? Anyone? Anyone has remember? What is the formula to find out the ratio? Whenever the ratios are not given, but P coordinates are given to you. I have given one small formula in the first class itself at the time of your section formula. At the time of your section. It is
minus
x1
x1 comma x.
x1 minus x is to x minus x2 or not. Or whenever y coordinates are given, y1 minus y is to y minus y2. But the second one is not useful for us. I can make use of the first one. Make use of the first formula. This is equal to x1 means it is a 6 minus x is to 3 minus x2 value is how much? It is minus 1. This is equal to 6 minus 3. It is 3. 3 minus of minus 4. Minus of minus 1 means it is 4. So what you said, option number 1 will be the correct answer. And even how we can solve this question in 10th standard, consider the ratio as lambda is to 1 and equating the corresponding elements, identify lambda value. It takes time. It is a lengthy process. Try to make use of this formula in competitive examinations. Next one. The questions are so simple how the questions are asking in the previous years also. They are completely depends upon the basics. We'll moving to the next question, please. This is the next one. Question number 4. Hope you can understand the previous question. Third one. Any doubts, please? Let's moving to the fourth one. Question number 4. O be the origin, PQ vertices are given to you. It is a triangle. It forms a triangle. The point R inside of the triangle OPQ is such that triangle of OPR, PQR, and OQR are of equal area. Then the coordinates of R will be what? This is O 0, 0. P will be given to you 3, 4.
Second option.
Or option 2 6, 0. These are all the simple questions. Questions are so simple, please. So R is inside means somewhere else I'm going to take here. This is your R point. But according to the given question, OPQ, right? The point R inside OPQ is such that the triangle OPR, next let us join them. These areas are equal only for the centroid concept, right? So indirectly, what is asking? R be the centroid of, what is R? R is the centroid, because the areas are equal of triangle OPQ. This is Q. So make use of centroid formula. X comma y is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, 0 plus 3 plus 6 divided by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. So which means that it is 9 by 3, it is 3, and 4 by 3 we can keep as it is. As you said, option number 2, 3 comma 4 divided by 3. Second option will be the correct answer. Number 5. Question number 5. Let's see the question. Fifth one. If ABC 3 vertices of a triangle will be given to you, and whose orthocenter is given, then the angle ABC is how much? As I said number of times, to whenever he is asking orthocenter or circumcenter, we have some relation. I mean, the given triangle will be something depends upon your centroid, because the simple process of finding the centroid is just x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. So he has given orthocenter. Orthocenter is given to you. Orthocenter is given to you. That is H given. What is H? x1 plus x2 plus x3. Next, y1 plus y2 plus y3. Orthocenter is given. Now, can I find the centroid? Because the simplest process of finding the centroid. Let's find out the centroid. Gx comma y is equal to, you know the formula, 3 times of x1 plus 3 times of x2 plus 3 times of x3 divided by 3. x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. Next, 3y1 plus 3y2 plus 3y3 divided by 3. Right? So this is equal to, is it x1 plus x2 plus x3 and y1 plus y2 plus y3? So clearly what we can say, the centers are equal or not? This is equal to how much? It is H, that is an orthocenter. This is an orthocenter. So clearly G is equal to H. That means the triangle formed by the vertices that is ABC is equilateral. It is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means angle ABC is equal to how much?
60 degrees.
Very good. It is just a 60 degrees. It should be how much? Pi divided by 3 is the required answer. So I'll repeat again. Whenever he's asking or the questions are related to the orthocenter and circumcenter, something is related to your centroid using this problem. Next, question number 6, please. Next problem. Yeah, so this is the question he has given. A, B vertices are given, ends of the diameter of the circle, and C is a point on the circle. Then the orthocenter is. Simple concept we need to use here. Yes, please, any idea? Any idea? The question is so simple. The question is so simple. Here, this is your circle. And clearly what he has given are the endpoints of the diameter of the circle. So if I'm taking the diameter, that means your triangle is a right angled triangle. Your triangle is a right angled triangle. These are the points are given to you. A, B will be the diameter of the circle, and it is C. And as I said, orthocenter is the vertex where it forms the right angle. Circumcenter is midpoint of the hypotenuse. Yes or no? What is an orthocenter? Orthocenter is the vertex where it forms the right angle, that is a C. C coordinates will be 3, 2. We got the answer, that is a 3. And circumcenter is what? Midpoint of hypotenuse. Circumcenter is equal to midpoint of hypotenuse. Midpoint of AC. So midpoint of AC. That is the concept that I'm using for solving of this question, Anna. Next one. Next question. This is also a simple question. It is also a simple question. That's 7. The vertices of a triangle will be given to you. Then the distance between its circumcenter or orthocenter is. What is the distance between the circumcenter and orthocenter? Distance between the circumcenter and orthocenter. The options are given as like this. These are the 4 options he has given. So it's very easy to find out the centroid first. First calculate the centroid, and you have to think over the circumcenter. So as I said, the circumcenter is asking means something is related to your centroid. Can we have the centroid G is equal to x1, that is a 6 plus 0 plus 6 divided by 3. Next, 6 plus 6 plus 0 divided by 3. So whose centroid is 12 divided by 3? That is 4 comma 4. Centroid is given. Now, how to find out the circumcenter? Let it be considered as A, and this is B, and it is C. I am finding AB value. Make use of the distance formula AB. That is under the root of 6 minus 0 whole square plus 6 minus 6 whole square. Is Aisha completed?
Sir, option 2, sir.
Yes,
Second
sir.
option, that is 1.4.
Yes, sir.
That means, yeah, so how I mean, is it a right angle triangle?
Yes, sir.
Very good. 6 minus 0 whole square, that is equal to 6. I'm finding BC value. This is equal to under the root of BC means 6 minus 0 whole square, 0 minus 6 whole square. 6 square plus 6 square I'm getting. That is under the root of 36 plus 36. Root 36 is the first value, and under the root of 72, the AC I'm finding. This is equal to under the root of AC means 6 minus 6, it is 0 plus 6 square under the root of 36. As if you are observing how much I am getting, AB square plus AC square is equal to BC square. So your B and C will be the hypotenuse. Your B and C will be the hypotenuse. This is B and it is C and it is A. AB square plus AC square is equal to BC square. So right angle at A, and he is asking circumcenter. Circumcenter means it is the midpoint of hypotenuse, that is BC. So S is equal to B plus C divided by 2, that is 0 plus 6 by 2. 0 plus 6 divided by 2, 6 plus 0 divided by 2. Circumcenter is how much? 3 comma 3. So what is asking? GS is equal to under the root of x2 minus x1 whole square, 4 minus 3 whole square plus 4 minus 3 whole square. Right? It is a simple question, that is under the root of 1 plus 1 square root of 2, as you said, 1.414. We'll have the next question. Next problem, please. Let's see the question. They are of same model. Whenever he's asking circumcenter or orthocenter, let's try to check with the right angle triangle. The given triangle must be a right angle triangle. Let's have the next question. He's asking circumradius of the triangle with vertices will be given to you. Circumradius Yes, please. It's also same as the previous question. So let us see. Whenever this type of vertices will be given to you, a comma b, a comma 0, 0 comma b, it forms a right angle. When the question will be given to you, a comma 0, 0 comma b, a comma b will be given to you, definitely it forms a right angle. It forms a right angle. And if I'm observing that, let it be taken as a and it is b and it is c. AB I'm finding. Let us find out the length AB. That is equal to 2a minus 2a whole square. And 2b whole square means it is 4b square is equal to 2b. First option. Okay.
It's for
Aisha, option 1. Is it option 1? Samina?
Option 4, sir.
Option 4. Aisha?
Option 4, sir.
Option 4 only. Somebody
Yes,
given
sir.
option 1. Okay. So next, BC I'm finding. Length of BC will be, that is under the root of, is it 4b square? That means it should be 2a minus 0 whole square. 4a square. It should be 2a. Let's find out AC. If I'm finding AC under the root of 4a square plus 4b square. This is equal to 2 times of under the root of a square plus b square. Got it? And clearly what I can say, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. So it forms a right angle at B. So let's have, this is A, right angle at B, and it is C. If you are observing, this is the diameter of the circle. This is the diameter of the circle. AC is the diameter of the circle. Right? It is the diameter. What is the diameter of the circle? It is AC. Diameter is equal to AC. So AC already we are finding here 2 times under the root of a square plus b square. This is 2 times under the root of a square plus b square. But what is asking? Radius. Radius of the circle R is equal to d divided by 2. R is equal to, it is d divided by 2. That is under the root of a square plus b square. As you said, option number 4 will be the correct answer. This is also the previous question. Option 4. Next. Question number 9. The coordinates of the points that is just a point. The coordinates of the point that is 2/3 away from 2/3 away from 2/3 away from -4, 3 and sorry 2 -4, 3 to 5, 7 is, so which is 2/3 away from -4, 3 to 5, 7. That means we can make use of the section formula here. The line is given, line segment. This is considered as A point. It is considered as B point. A will be -4, 3. B is given 5, 7. Right? So what is a point which is Px, y 2/3 away from A point to B point? 2/3. 2/3 means the given ratio will be how much? What is the ratio he has given? Given ratio. What is the ratio, please? 2/3 away. 2:3. Anvesh. 2:3. Manasa. The ratio, please. You have to think over it, what he has given. So 2/3 away. 2/3 away. That means it is 2/3 and it is 1 divided by 3. Out of the three parts here given to you, 2/3, 1 divided by 3. So that means your ratio will be what? P point. Clearly he has given the point P, which is 2/3 from A to B. 2/3 from A to B. That is 1/3. Your ratio will be 2:1. 2/3 away from A to B. So from A 2/3 to B, what ratio? That is 1/3. From A, it is a 2/3. From B, it is 1/3. Just we have calculated. Your ratio will be given as 2:1. Now he's asking P coordinates. The coordinates of P will be, this is equal to mx2, 2 into 5 plus nx1, that is -4, divided by m plus n, that is 2 plus 1, comma my2, that is 7, plus ny1, that is 3, divided by m plus n. This is what he has given. Yes, please, what is your answer, Aisha? Your point?
Sir, 2, 17/3.
2, 17 divided by 3.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is equal to, have you understand how we are taking 2:1 as the ratio? That is important for us. It is 10 minus 4 divided by 3, and it should be 14 plus 3 divided by 3. This should be 6 divided by 3 and 17 divided by 3. What you said, it is absolutely correct. That is 2, 17 divided by 3 is the required answer. Next problem. Problem number 10. Area of the triangle. Area of the triangle formed by the points, the vertices will be given to you. That is A, 1 by A, another vertex Just 1 second. 0, comma 0. One vertex is 0, comma 0. And another vertex is a power x square, comma 0. And the vertex 3 will be 0, comma a power 6x. Is 1 by 2a power 5 square units. Then x is equal to x is equal to 1 R5, second option, minus 1 R5,
Sir, can you say the second coordinates?
a power x square, comma 0, a power x square, 0, comma a power 6x, 0, comma a power 6x. The third option, 1 or minus 5. Fourth option, it is minus 1 or minus 5. Just 1 and 5 are rotated continuously. So whenever one vertex is horizon, then the area of the triangle will be formula half into, is it x1 y2 minus x2 y1 is equal to 1 by 2 a power 5 will be given to you. 2 cancel. x1 will be a x1 y1 and it is x2 y2. A x power 5, sorry, x power 2, a power x square, y2 value is a power 6x minus x2 value is 0, y1 value is 0, whose modulus will be given to you, is equal to 1 by a power 5, which implies that a power x square plus 6x modulus will be given to you, is equal to a power 5. Venkana, have you completed? Harshita? Option Harshita
Sir.
4. Yes. Option 4.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Aisha?
Sir, option 4, sir.
Option 4. Ashifa. Very good. Very good.
Yes, sir.
All
Option.
of you got the same answer. Yes, very good. So the bases are equal, powers are also equal. We can take x square plus 6x is equal to 5. We can take x square plus 6x. Is it minus 5 or plus 5? What we
Yes,
can
sir.
take here? Minus 5 is equal to 0. Here we can take minus and upper part will be minus. It should be plus 5. So factors will be x plus 1 into x plus 5 is equal to 0. Very good. This is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 1 or x is equal to minus 5 will be the correct answer. That is option number 4 will give the correct answer. Right? So simple question he asked in the previous years also, just 1 or 2 questions just we people have revised. But one of the most important concept is our locus. From locus, definitely we'll ask one question. That is the next chapter. Tomorrow we'll try to start the locus, right? If you want to understand the next concepts, we'll try to have an idea regarding to the distance formula, section formula, nature of the triangle, quadrilateral, centers of the triangle, to have the concept to understand the concepts of the future. That is locus, Next, straight lines, pair of straight lines, all the geometrical problems, right? That's it for today, guys. If you're having any doubts, you can raise your hands or you can discuss. Otherwise, we'll close the session. We'll continue tomorrow with the locus topic. Any doubts,
Sir,
guys?
can you say few more problems on area of the triangle?
Area of the triangle problems. Yes, I'll try to send few of the questions for your practice, or we'll try to discuss in tomorrow's class. 4 or 5 problems we'll try to discuss, no problem, right? Tomorrow we'll try to discuss and we'll close it, no problem.
Thank you, sir.
That's it, guys. We'll continue tomorrow. That's it.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.